Very good morning, dear students. Previously, we saw the what is a democratic nation. In that, how the equality is being given the preferences and how the constitution is laid down in order to remove the discrimination and to provide the equality certain laws like equal access to the public facilities and removal of untouchability, then equal justice before the law, that is everyone are equal in the eyes of law. Like this, many rules and regulations have been made in our Constitution of India. Now, in a democracy world, we say it's a by the people, for the people, and to the people, and it is the people majorly participate in the democratic nation. So, for this, there is a process, right? How the people used to get participated in the democratic nation or in the formation of a government. So, there should be some certain process in order to elect the representative, which lies in the hands of the people. Then how it is going to be elected? What is the process actually? What are the institution involved in it, or the representative body involved in electing the people in order to run the government and also to fulfill the needs of the people in the society. So let us look into that. Which are those institutions or the representative bodies which acts to select the or to form a government and to lead the people or the country. So, dear students, institution of democracies. There are certain institutions in order to lead the democratic nation. So, which are those institutions that we are going to learn and see in this particular chapter? And once the elections and the role of election commission, how it is going to plays very important role in forming a government, that we are going to learn in this. Once the election commission is being processed about the election task, later how the parties are being elected and what are their importance and what is a coalition government, that we are going to see in this chapter. So dear students, here they have given a picture. Observe the picture given below and answer the questions that follow. The first question they have asked is, what does the picture represent? See here, a set of group of people are standing by having their ID card in their hand. Why do you think is it important in a democracy? That we will see in this chapter. And you want to tell what does the picture represent and why they are standing over there in a queue, and what are the in what activity they actually involved. Generally, if you see the picture, it represents the people who will be involved in the election process, right? Generally, so is it that correct? The people are standing by having their ID card that they are belong to this particular nation, this particular state, and they are representing their own representative through a process called election. So, dear students, democracy refers to the rule of the people, and the right to vote is a means to establish and continue the rule of the people of a country. So, in this chapter, we are going to know how people are involved in their right to vote through a process of election. What is election? In election, how does the process going to be happen, and who is the head of this election process, and how it is going to be helpful in electing the candidate, that we are going to look into in this chapter. So next we'll see the election meaning, the term election meaning. What does the election word actually says? You might be seen every 5 years your parents and the elders who are completed the 18 years of age, they go with their ID card and they vote they put the vote at the thumb. Correct. That you might have seen. How does this happen? Let us see. So let's see the meaning. First, an election refers to the process of choosing or electing Choosing here means we are going to select our representatives by voting to allow them to run the government. So an election is a context between the different candidates or the political parties. So similarly, how we are going to elect the class leader or the group leader or the discipline leader, many leaders we select in our classroom in order to what? In order to bring a discipline in the class and in order to bring a peaceful harmony in the schools. In order to follow the proper rules and regulations in the school, we are going to elect a particular set of leaders in the class in order to maintain that particular class. In the same way, in our society, in our country, we conduct a process called election in order to select our representative in order to lead us through what? By voting, and we will select. Once we vote, we will allow them to form a government and to provide facilities to the public. Or else if they say that an election is a contest between, it's a participation, it's a competition between whom? Different candidates, different individual candidates or the political parties. The candidate or the political party which bags the maximum number of votes is declared elected and eligible to form the government. So each individual candidate or the group of members belong to a particular party is going to be participate in the election process. Once the candidate or any of the candidate or the political party which will have a maximum number of votes against the opposite candidate is going to be declared as, will be announced as what? To they have won against the opposite party and they will be eligible, they will have a opportunity to form the government. So dear students, Election Commission of India, which you are seeing in the red color, it is one of the institution which is going to be helpful in creating the democratic peaceful nation. So it plays a very important role in functioning the government effectively. So this election process, what we are going to participate in the election, that will be conducted by which institution? Election Commission of India is there. It is going to represent the election process. So it is important to conduct election in a free and fair manner. So in India what happens? It's a work, it's a task. It's a work of what? Conducting free and fair elections is performed by this Election Commission of India. What is the job of this Election Commission of India means? This Election Commission of India has a responsibility to conduct the election in a proper manner without any illegal actions or the corruptions or in favor of any particular candidate or any particular party. So it will be responsible to conduct a proper election process. So it consists of certain authorities also. So it consists of election commissioner and a chief election commissioner. So two sets of authorities are there in which the Election Commission of India. So it consists of election commissioner and the chief election commissioner and the chief election commissioner. So the head of this Election Commission of India will be the chief election commissioner. He or she is appointed by who? President of India. So this Election Commission of India is what is the work? To conduct the election. It has got two authorities. One is election commissioners and chief election commissioner. And the head of this Election Commission of India will be the chief election commissioner, who will be appointed or selected by the president. Our president is going to select the chief election commissioner officer, and this the Election Commission of India is going to registers the voters in the country. Under this Election Commission of India, the people are going to register their name, and it allots symbols to the independent candidate. Suppose if the individual candidate who is alone, he has to stand and he has to represent his area, he can stand individually. And the political parties and ensures that elections are conducted in a free and fair manner. That means in order to have a good election process, this Election Commission of India plays very important role, and the chief election commissioner, who will be appointed by the President of India, has the sole responsibility in conducting the free and good fair manner. That is, any malpractices should not be taken place during the election process. That will be taken care by whom? By the Election Commission of India, represented by under the guidance of the Election Commissioner.